take advantage sa weather ngayon kasi maganda yung weather ngayon mga loves. So hello, it's another day by the way. Today nga pala mga palangga si Mr. Nagpa-service siya ng sasakyan niya. So, pumunta siya sa car service 7:30 this morning para ihatid yung sasakyan. Hello, good morning. So, binigyan siya ng courtesy car and I will show you what it looks like. So, a few hours lang naman to para may magamit ba yung owner while nasa service yung sasakyan nila. So, ito yung courtesy car. I want to look inside. Ah, okay. Ah. It looks good inside. Smells good. Smells new. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. It looks like there's a bigger space in the front and then the back. There's not much. I see.
Mm.
No.
Because these, you see, they come down.
Yeah.
Oh no, it'd be that one they do. Because the seat, you can put, there's extra seats in back as well, you see.
I see.
7-seater.
Yeah. Is this automatic?
Oh, yeah.
So, Defender siya. I like it in here. Look.
Yeah. No,
Oh, can you not open it?
You put your phone there for charging.
Okay, where?
What's that button for?
I don't know.
Here. Charging.
Charging. This is good as well. And I like this here because it's flat. You know what I mean?
So you can put your camera on it.
Yeah, I can put my camera in here. Yeah. How much does it worth if you're gonna buy this?
I don't know what this it says dynamic on there. I don't know what model it is, to be fair.
Marami kasing model sa Defender, mga palangga. Yeah, ito yung mga sasakyan na gusto ko na pang talaga ba? Pang bukid. Yan. But I just don't like the color of this.
I don't like white.
Yeah, white and black. I know. I would rather have all white, just like in our car before.
No, it's better being
but the combination of white and black, I don't like it. But yeah, I would be happy if someone will give this to me. I'll be happy if someone will give this to me.
That's what I don't like.
Why? The tire.
Yes. Right. These are seats.
Is it?
Eh?
Is it? I see. You can actually. There's a seat belt as well.
Oh, of course you see that. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know when it goes down now.
That's brilliant. This one as well? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, but there's not a lot of room though, is there?
Honey.
No, compared. The door hole is very small. It's nearly as big as your boot.
Ah, dear.
But, you know,
But more expensive.
Like everything just feels like.
No, I like it, but just the color, as I said.
That I don't like. Rattle.
Oh well. This is not your car anyway.
I don't know. I can't really mind it.
Are you thinking to get one of these?
Well, I didn't know whether, you know, for instead of...
We're watching our favorite TV program
Really pleased for you. I hope it all works out.
while Mr. is eating his lunch. I know, I have to sort that out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Whenever we can, be a proper family affair this year.
Plansya tayo kasi madami na yung plansyahin natin. Nakita niyo naman siguro sa front room, no? Nakatambak na yung mga plansyahin ko. Kaya it's time. Meron pala nag-comment na yung pagpaplansya ko daw, hindi daw papasa sa kanya. Ang mga pinaplansya ko kasi is mga pambahay lang. So hindi ko talaga siya yung thorough na pinaplansya ba. Kung sa baga, pinapadaanan ko lang siya ng ng iron para mawala yung mga gusot-gusot. Yan lang. Pero pag merong mga okasyon, may mga lakad, of course, thorough ako magplansya. Ay, bakit ano nangyari? Thorough ako magplansya mga loves. Kaya pagpasensyahan kung yung pagplansya ko is hindi papasa sa'yo. Ito yung pangplansya na pangmadalian ba? Yun lang. Kasi pambahay, I don't know if ako lang, pero hindi ako masyado nag-i-effort basta pambahay. Pambahay lang na damit ba? Basta lang mawala yung malalaking gusot, yun na, happy na ako. Basta malinis lang, okay na. Diba? Yes, mister? Yeah, this is it. He said, oh, the way you iron your clothes will not pass on me.
Really? Who is this person?
I don't know.
Is she English?
I don't know.
Is she Filipino?
Oh, well, of course.
Americano?
Of course, a Filipino.
No, well, tell her she needs to come and show us how to do it then.
So tell them why we don't need to iron this, like, thoroughly.
Oh, you do. Oh, it's got to be perfect.
Tell them.
What? I told you.
Again.
These are my working clothes.
Yeah.
Right, so I work at home, as most of you know. So it's basically
Just giving the big creases.
Just get all the main stuff out so they look reasonably presentable. And then I go to my workshop, and by the end of the day it's in the washing basket again because it's filthy. So, you know, it's not all important. When we actually going out, out whining, dining on a hot date or anything like that, then they're pristine. You know, but this is just a quick job. What's the point standing here for hours and hours on end?
Definitely. And
wasting precious time when you can be doing something more productive.
Definitely.
But what it is, the work clothes, that's all.
So.
It's not as if I'm going into working in a store or somewhere where you've got to be presentable.
Office.
Or an office or whatever. I'm not.
Oh.
There's only me to see myself. And that's it.
Alright.
Right, I'm just going to hit that Tony's, right?
Okay.
If you see a wagon, can you ring me quickly?
Okay.
I won't be a minute. I'll go.
Alright, see you later. Oh, so you, huh? Unlock the door. Umalis si Mister. So, ayun na mga palangga. Yun yung sagot ko sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman kasi, panglakad to. Pambahay lang ba? So, I will not spend my hours on ironing clothes. Kasi ang dami ko pang kailangan gawin. Meron pala tayong good news na natanggap last night. So, yung kapitbahay namin, di ba nakwento ko sa inyo na yung kapitbahay namin na diagnosed ng cancer. Siya yung kapitbahay namin na ginamit ko as my reference nung nag-apply ako ng citizenship ko. So, tumawag yung wife niya last night na in-inform kami na yung asawa niya na-discharge na sa hospital, sa bahay na, which is good to know. Although na he's still receiving a chemotherapy, but he is more happier at home. Ano ba, mas happy ka talaga, di ba, sa bahay kaysa sa hospital. Kasi pag sa bahay, you can do whatever you want. Hindi naman whatever you want. In a reasonable, reasonable action. Pero you know what I mean. Pag nasa hospital kasi, may mga routine. As in, hindi ka masyadong nakakatulog sa hospital kasi every 4 hours yung monitoring, o kung hindi, merong mga 1 hour, depende sa pasyente, kung gaano kalala yung pasyente. So, yeah, I'm happy na nasa bahay na siya and he is doing well. He is reacting to the treatment very well. So, sana tuloy-tuloy na, no? Meron niyang mga anak, mga palangga, dalawang lalaki. Yung isa, pulis. Yung isa, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa sa isa. Mr. is cutting the grass. Halaka, oy, grabe. Ang hahaba ng grass, oh. It really leaves a mark, mga palangga, pag ganito na sobrang mahaba na yung grass. And it doesn't cut the mower. The mower, hindi siya nagkakat ng maayos pag mahaba na yung grass. Hindi siya nitingnan ba? Hindi ba? He's waving a case. Puti na lang talaga, mga palangga. Yung kapitbahay namin, sila yung napuputol ng grass dyan. Dito lang namin yung pinuputol at yung sa gilid ng bahay. Kasi sus na kung si Mr. lahat na iwan ko na lang, aabutin ng isang araw sa pag-grass cutter si Mr. Excuse me sa aking pagmumukha, mga palangga. Teenager feels ba? So si Mr. kailangan natin siyang i-rescue kasi he got stuck. Kasi diba nag-mower siya kanina. Where is it? Same spot. Hindi ko maalala ba, I think 2 years ago, dito din na-stuck si Mr. Iwan ko lang kung na-vlog ko ba or hindi. Kukunin ko lang yung yung tripod ko para ma-film natin yung pag-rescue natin kay Mr. Oh my gosh, mga loves, I'm so sleepy. Hindi talaga ako nakatulog ng maayos last night. Ano lang talaga, meron ako mga iniisip. Ang dami kong iniisip, mga palangga. Diyan kayo, mga palangga, manood lang kayo sa ating to the rescue, si Mrs. Ayay, hindi pa nga tayo nagsisimula, nilipad na kayo ng hangin, mga palangga. Diyan kayo. Okay. Kala ko mga palangga, ako yung magdadrive sa Gator. Si Mr. pala. Sus na kuguman. Anyway, by the way, ito na pala yung update sa mga tinanim nating kahoy. Kawawa mga palangga kasi hindi nila nagustuhan yung lupa kasi sobrang wet kasi there are ito sa Loniki something. I don't know what's that.
Yeah, central, yeah.
Central something.
Macadona.
Probably. So, yung iba hindi nagustuhan yung lupa. May mga puno talaga na, you're welcome. May mga puno talaga na namatay ba. So, we'll see. Kasi sobrang maulan kasi dito. Wala talagang time ba na mag-drain yung soil na mabuti. Anyway, babalik tayo sa ginagawa natin doon sa taas. Nag-i-edit ako mga palangga. I'm trying my best na mag-edit as much as I can kasi babalik na ako sa OJT ko ngayong Monday. So, wala na naman tayong ma-upload.